Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sheisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this hexagon motif and how to make this as a blanket. For that I have used here 100% acrylic yarn. This yarn is from Hariri brand and this pattern is very easy. I have used only the double crochet stitches and I have used here two methods to join these motifs together. And on this, if you have any doubt, please mention it in the comment section. So without further delay, let's start our project. For this project, I have taken here the green color yarn, olive green color yarn, and the hook size which I am going to use is 3.5 mm. We'll start this project with the slip knot. And then we'll make chain 1 2 3 4 5. Let's insert the hook into the very first chain and then we'll do the slip stitch just to make it a ring. Then we'll make chain 3 1 2 3, yarn over. Inside this circle we'll make a double crochet. So here, including with these 3 chains, we got first double crochet and the second one. Again chain 2, yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 double crochet. Again 1 more double crochet. Okay, chain 2. Here I have made 6 sets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 sets. Again let's make 2 chain. I'm going to insert the hook into the third chain to make the slip stitch. Here we have finished our first round. Here we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 sets of double crochet stitches, and then again we are moving to the second round. Let's make 3 chain. 1 2 3. This is our first double crochet. Yarn over into the next. Here we have the double crochet. Top of that double crochet we'll make 1 double crochet. So here we got 2 double crochet stitches. Yarn over. Here inside this chain 2 space, insert the hook and make 1 double crochet. Chain 2 again inside the same space we'll make 1 double crochet. Again yarn over. Here we have 2 double crochet stitches. On the top of these double crochets we'll make 1 double crochet. Again into the next 1 double crochet and then yarn over and to the next the chain space. Let's make 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. So we are going to continue the same pattern till the end of this row. Here we have reached at the end of this row. Here we will do 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet inside, and then we'll do the slip stitch into the third chain. So we have finished here 2 rounds. We are going to the third round. Third round, now we are at the second double crochet stitch. There let's make 3 chain. 1 2 3, yarn over. Again we have 2 more double crochet stitches. So I'm going to insert the hook into the next one. We'll make 1 double crochet. And then into the next one we'll make 1 more double crochet. Here we got 3, yarn over. Inside this chain 2 space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 double crochet. Again we have here 4 double crochet stitches. So on the top of this 4 double crochets we'll make 4 double crochets. 1 2 3 4, and then here we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. So let's continue the same pattern till the end of this row. We will get 6 double crochets, chain 2, again 6 double crochets, chain 2, again inside we'll make 1 double crochet. In the beginning we made 1 2 3 4. So this is the 5th one. Into the next we'll make 1 more, so we'll get 6 double crochets. Top of this third chain we'll make the slip stitch, and then again now we are at the third double crochet. Let's make 3 chains. So we'll consider this as a double crochet. Before this we have 2 double crochets. Now we are going to make on the top of this 3 double crochet stitches. Again we'll make 3 double crochets. So 1 here, 2, 3, and the fourth one is here. Inside this, chain 2 space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. Again into the next we'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the seventh one is here. Inside this we'll make chain double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. So we'll have 8 double crochet stitches in between. Here I have made after this chain 2 space 1, 2, 3. Here we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 8 double crochet stitches. Let's do the slip stitch on the top of this third chain. So we are here at 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth round. Let's make 3 chain. Again we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet stitches after this, and before this 3 double crochet. So let's make on the top of this 1. So this is the second one. 3, 4, 5, and then inside 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. Again on the top of this 8 double crochets we'll make 8 double crochet. Inside this 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. We are going to continue till the end of this row. Now into the last stitch here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one it is here. Now let's do the slip stitch into the third chain 1, 2, 3. Let's do the slip stitch, chain 1, and we are going to snip off this. Yeah, so at the end of this row we got 10 double crochet stitches and chain 2. Now let's hide this yarn using the hook itself. And then again we'll snip off this excess yarns. So same like this I have made here other pieces also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this with the green 5. So totally 9 pieces I have made here. Now let's see how to join all these motifs together to make the blanket or the table runner. To join these two motifs together, I have taken here the third color yarn, that's red color yarn. Now I'm going to start with this beige color motif. So let's take this red color, and then we are going to make the slip knot, and then we'll insert a hook into this chain 2 space. Insert the hook like this. We'll make 1 single crochet, again 2 chain, yarn over. Into the next we'll make 1 double crochet, 2, 3, yarn over, into this 1 double crochet, here 1 double crochet. Inside this chain 2 space we'll make 2 double crochets. So let's continue with the double crochet into each double crochet stitch, and then into the chain 2 space we'll make 2 double crochets. So I have finished here 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides with the double crochet stitches. Now I'm going to attach the second color motif like this. So for that, here I have finished with the 10th double crochet. Inside this we'll make 1 more double crochet, and then take the second motif here, yarn over, insert the hook into this corner, and we'll make 1 double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the very first double crochet of this green color motif and make the double crochet, and then insert the hook into the second double crochet of this side, and then pull this loop through this double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the next double crochet, and then again insert the hook into the third double crochet, and again inside this loop. Pull this loop through this double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next double crochet, make a double crochet, and then insert the hook into the fourth double crochet of the other side. Pull this loop through this, again yarn over into the next. We'll make one double crochet, keep the loop like this, and then insert the hook on the top of this double crochet, and then pull this loop through this, again yarn over, insert the hook into the next, and we are making the double crochet. So same like this, we are going to connect till we reach this corner. Again yarn over into the next. Here we have chain 2 space. Let's make 2 double crochet, 1 2, and then we are going to continue with the double. Now let's continue with the double crochet onto the 4 sides, 1 2 3, and this is the 4th one. So let's continue till we reach this point, same like this, the double crochet stitches. Here I have finished 2 sides, 1 2, and the third one we already joined here. Again I have finished 1 2 sides. Now we are going to attach this motif onto this, so it will be coming like this, same like this round. We are going to continue. Here we are going to attach this motif like this. So let's keep the wrong sides together here, and then yarn over. Let's make the second double crochet into this chain 2 space, and then yarn over the first double crochet into this chain 2 space, yarn over. Here we made only one double crochet into this chain 2 space, so we'll make the second one here, and then yarn over into this one, we'll make the second one. So now we have here 2 double crochet inside in this and this one. So let's join these 2 edges together like this. So we are going to repeat the same pattern, double crochet. Here we'll pull this loop through this double crochet like this. We are going to join till this point. So here I have attached these 2 motifs together. Still we have to join this point, and then here we are going to attach these 2 parts together, same like the previous round. Here I made 1 double crochet inside. Now here also 1 double crochet, and then now yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 double crochet, and then yarn over, take the 4th one. Here we'll make inside this space 1 double crochet, and then yarn over, again inside 1 more double crochet, yarn over. Here we didn't make any double crochet, so let's make 1 double crochet, and then again 1 more double crochet. So here we made 2 double crochet stitches, and then same like in the previous round, we are going to make the double crochet stitches together to join this. Here I have attached and made into this chain 2 space 1 double crochet, here also 1 double crochet. Now we are going to add 1 more motif like this here. So yarn over into this chain 2 space, we'll make 1 double crochet, and then here we'll make 1 more double crochet, and then yarn over. On the other side we'll make 1 double crochet. So we have joined here. Now we are going to continue the double crochet stitches, same like this previous sets of motifs. Here we will finish, and then we will continue with the double crochet till we reach this point. Here I made 1 double crochet inside this chain 2 space, yarn over. Let's take this one, the other motif, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet inside, and then yarn over. On the other side we'll make 1 more double crochet, again yarn over, inside this chain 2 space 1 double crochet. Again same like this previous round, we are going to make double crochet, yarn over, 1 more double crochet into the chain 2 space, and here also inside we'll make one more double crochet. Chain 1, we'll snip off this yarn. So this is how we will connect the hexagon motifs together. If you want to connect the next one, you can attach from this point, and then again the next one like this. So you will use the double crochet stitch into each stitch, and then to the chain to space 2 double crochet. Using the same pattern, we are going to connect these two motifs also along with this other motifs. So here I have used two methods. One is double crochet stitches and the other one is only one side the double crochet stitch. You can use any of this method to finish this blanket. This is very easy and beautiful. If you have any doubt on this, please let me know. So I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.